What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today I'm heading back up to the studio for today's update of Superman, and as you can see, it looks pretty awesome. So actually what we're gonna do here is we're gonna continue construction. Basically that's pretty much what we're doing, and that's what you'll be seeing for the next few days, just daily updates of this coaster. But don't worry, you'll get to see the whole process of how I actually build NEX coasters, and I'll go a little bit more in depth with it. But anyway, let's just get to building. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so we just finished the second airtime hill as well as that overbank turn right there. So we're going to give this a quick little test just to make sure everything works and is fully functional. So here we go. That's bad. So I don't know what exactly happened there, but I think this hill is a bit too steep. I mean, it's just about as steep as the first one, but I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Maybe that's why I won't get up the first hill. So let's make this probably a little less taller, and also make the ascent a less steep. So let's go ahead and do that.